We, at our ceremony, we choose this opportunity to install the next president of Student Government Association. So what Sammy's going to do is going to officially pass the gavel that she's getting right now. Sammy, thank you. They got the gavel. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to take the mic up in front. Sammy, you're going to read the pledge. Faisal, you're going to repeat it to be formally inducted, installed as president. Sammy, oh, yeah, you got it. Okay.
I got one. All right. Please repeat after me. I, say your name.
I, Faisal Mahmood. I, Faisal Mahmood.
Okay. Swear to uphold the mission of the Ammerman Student Government Association.
Swear to uphold the mission to SGA Constitution.
And abide by the Ammerman SGA Constitution throughout your term of service.
And abide by the Ammerman SGA Constitution throughout my term of service for 2025 to 2026 academic school year.
All right. I swear to represent the voice of all students here on the Ammerman Campus.
I swear to represent the voice of all students here on the Ammerman Campus.
And represent their issues and concerns to the campus and college administration.
And represent their issues and concern to the campus and college administration.
I swear to properly represent SGA in all SGA-related events and meetings.
I swear to properly represent SGA in all SGA-related events and meetings.
Congratulations on being the new president of Ammerman SGA.
Thank you both. Appreciate you both. Can't wait for
Don't
next.
forget to like, comment and subscribe.